to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to solve another problem in Adobe Illustrator. I have two objects in artboard and I want to align this object. Okay, select two objects and select Align panel from top and for example, vertical align button. Wow, what problem? You can see that align tool not working correct. Control Z, undo. Okay, select align, vertical align top. Well, raise the red rectangle. Control Z, undo. Okay, how can we fix this issue? I go to View menu, Guide, Show Guides. Okay, we have two guides in this work. Okay, and select red rectangle and move. Oh, guides and rectangle grouped. Okay, you need ungroup guides and red rectangle. Select guides. Okay, now select two objects, alignment and vertical align button. Okay, very good. So we need to guide, show guide, and uncheck hide guides, and ungroup any other guides that group by object. I have a mistake, and I grouped red rectangle by two guides, so I can't do alignment correctly. I ungrouped the red rectangle and guides and delete or remove a guideline. Okay, good luck.